So we now have a procedural UV unwrap, which is great if you want to develop a more procedural UVing workflow. So in this example, I've got this car, I've got a selection. Going to add an unwrap. Let's just bring up my UV editor. And then with that loaded, you can then procedurally adjust these settings. So you might want to change the iterations and change the pinning axis and maybe the projection axis as well. The great thing is I can go back to this at any point, maybe adjust the selection a little bit and change the settings, and it'll all update. The problem with this situation is very reliant on the indexing of the selection. So if I went and edited this model, I'd probably have to redo the selection, but you would have to do that anyway if you're using the direct version of the tool. So where this is particularly useful is when you have situations where the edge selection can be generated procedurally. So here I have a fusion item, and this is using surface strips, and I've got a little bit of procedural modeling to create these seams. So if I bring in an unwrap, and then let's change the selection to polygon tag. I can use selection set and then choose the selection set that's generated by Mesh Fusion. And because that's a polygon selection set, I need to do a convert. And then I need to do a grow shrink, so I can just reduce that selection now, so I've just got the center of those strips. And if I go to Unwrap here, just increase the iterations, and we have a beautifully unwrapped Mesh Fusion model. And the great thing is this is live, so if I change the model, the UVs update as well.